Okay, so hi, honeys. How are you? Tanyanishailoc here, and of course, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope that you are fine, amazing, popping. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to another episode. Thank you very much for clicking back yet in another vlog, in another video. First of all, I want to say a very, very big thank you for the amazing love and support on this YouTube channel since, of course, I started being consistent. That is in 2018 up to this moment in time. Today I'm going to be sharing my journey to monetization because I've gotten a lot of questions now that I'm actually into that mood of talking about it and actually or hopefully inspiring some of you guys. The second thing I want to say is that thank you very much for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers and being part of the 3,000 subscriber club of this year. As per this year, I appreciate you a lot. We hit 3,000 subscribers, I think, about 2 to 3 weeks ago. By then, I was still in my YouTube break, but thank you very much. I appreciated that from the bottom of my heart. And I can't wait. The sky is the limit. For that particular reason, I had to buy something. For me, whenever I have a new milestone, whenever I have new things to celebrate, I always love to celebrate such things with a gift, to myself and hopefully also to some people who have actually helped me reach where I have reached. So for 3,000 subscribers, I went out and I bought myself a nice pair of shoes, which I'm going to be unboxing with you guys today. And then I think I'm gonna be first of all unboxing this. Then later on, I'm gonna be going through all the journeys when I started in 2016 up to when I was monetized this year. And yeah, guys, hopefully there you can see me very, 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 very absolutely well. So this is the pair of shoe. It's a slightly expensive pair of shoe, and I was very delighted to actually go and withdraw money and be able to buy this shoe. I've wanted it for some good time, but me, I'm one kind of a person who always moves in calculations and numbers. When it comes to money, there is always a percentage that is put aside for me, maybe to buy something I want. But if that month or 2 months, the money is not yet there, I always love to postpone it to the next month, if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm the only person who does that, but actually I love doing that because it helps me not to spend money carelessly. So by the time we hit 3,000 subscribers, it was that moment, or it was that particular target of money I wanted to actually buy something new. So I actually just withdrew the money and went to Kampala, and I was able to buy this pair of shoes. So this is actually how the box does look like. Going on over here, it is by Skyview. Skyview is an Italian company which actually ships shoes, clothing to Kampala here, and a lot of East African companies. I'm talking about Kenya and Tanzania. It's not sponsored actually in any way. So when you open like this is actually how it does look inside. Hopefully there you can see very, very well. So when you take it off the box, it is the pair of shoe are packed in this particular bag. Going on over here, I'm very, very excited, very, very excited. It's just because the excitement on my face has actually reduced. Yes. So this is the big moment. Yes. So this is the big moment. This is actually how they do look. Going on over here, both of them pure leather, very, very amazing, good, high quality. Let me put down one. Good quality. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the quality is very, very good. And I think you can also see the sole down. Very, very amazing. I bought it in brown because I had a brown pair of shoe, but somehow, somewhere, it got it got problems. Yes, if I say it got problems, I think you understand. And I've been with it, I think, for now 3 years. And something about me, I love brown pair of shoe. If it's not brown, it's black, but most of the time I vibe with brown. So thank you very much, you guys, again once for helping me reach 3,000 subscribers. I don't know what we shall be buying for 4,000 subscribers. I have a lot of things on my list when it comes to things that I want to also buy for myself, and be able to look back onto them and remember these different milestones that we are hitting together. And yeah, thank you very much. Continue supporting any Ugandan content creator out there. Continue supporting any African content creator out there. And the sky is the limit for us. So starting off, I started my YouTube channel back then in 2016. For people who have been long honeys on the channel, you probably know this because I talk about it almost every chance I get to. Then I had a very funny phone. The quality was so incredibly bad. Uploaded some vlogs, deleted them, went back for HSC. Yes, HSC, or advanced level, what a lot of you guys call college, is it? Finished in 2018. After I finished, then I got an idea to actually come back and start being consistent on YouTube. And that's where I started being consistent and uploading videos. So 2018, I uploaded videos. 2019, I continued uploading videos, but the growth was so not good. I had a lot of struggles, like being able to grow roots in this particular career of YouTube. But I persisted. One thing about me, I always persist. I always persist. I won't lie you that there are no moments that I say that I wanted to give up. They are there, obviously. But whenever I got shattered by one factor or another, I collected up myself and moved again. So 2019, continued uploading vlogs, uploading videos. Then 2020, the same thing. Actually continued uploading videos, and little by little started seeing some growth of some of my videos. I persisted working and working, and I got my first sponsorship in 2020 around November or December from my first ever sponsor. I still do remember her name very well. And if there is any chance that she's watching this, thank you very much. You gave me all what I required in that moment to actually recollect up myself and start again. Like, start again. I think by the time I got that first sponsorship, I was completely shattered, because of I had created content from January. We are in December, late November or early December of 2020, and there was completely nothing. The growth was there, but it was negligible, tending to zero almost. But when she sponsored me and she told me how much she believed in me, that was enough to actually boost me to stand up and move and walk. So 2020 got done, dived into 2021, continued uploading vlogs. By the way, by then, I think by January of 2021, I started seeing a little bit of an increase in my watch time. Yes, it started increasing a little bit than normal, because by then I had started getting around 23, 24 watch hours, maybe in 2 days. In 3 days, I would get something like 36 watch hours, which was pretty good. And I said, oh, maybe I'll get monetized by December of 2021. So I continued uploading vlogs, continued uploading videos, continued uploading vlogs, doing research. There is one channel called Think Media. I love it a lot. It helped me a lot to stay grounded to creating content. What I had not said, actually, it is that I hit my first 1,000 subscribers, I think, in 2019. It was in 2019. That's when I hit my first 1,000 subscribers. And if you don't know, for you to be monetized on YouTube, there are two requirements that are very important: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So this journey of watch hours, it's very critical. It's one journey which is very critical. You can hit 1,000 subscribers, but you have very few watch hours or watch time. So this is the journey I was on. So On the 31st July 2021, I was able to finally get my 4,000 watch hours, meaning that I was now in a position that I had all the requirements that YouTube needed to start putting advertisements on my videos by July 31st. So I applied for monetization the next day, that was 1st of August 2021. So I applied simply, I just followed the steps, and I did inquire from one of my, now I consider him to be one of my friends, Mr. Musinguzi. He's also a Ugandan YouTuber. He passed me through the process because I was somehow confused about different things. So when he passed me through the process, it was easy for me actually now to, apply. Then I signed up for Google AdSense also, for Google AdSense account, where YouTube actually puts that money you are getting from ads, on 1st of August 2021. And I got approved for Google AdSense on 1st of August 2021. So three things happened almost in the same day, I applied for monetization 1st of August 2021. I did sign up for my Google AdSense account on 1st of August 2021. And also I was able to get approved the same day. My Google AdSense account was approved on the same day I did apply it. I applied for it. 1st of August 2021. Then the following morning, it was 2nd of August 2021, I was finally monetized, meaning that now or by then ads started playing on all my YouTube videos. So if you don't know, I have over 637 YouTube videos. All of them are legible or are allowed to have advertisement. So if any person from anywhere in this world clicks on one of those 637 videos, I'm able to make money from those YouTube videos. So that's how actually I was monetized. And another thing that I think a lot of people now might ask, how did you get your pin and all that? So to get my pin, I was able also to use my friend, Mr. Musinguzi. He helped me with his address, P.O. Box address here in Kampala, Uganda. So when I was filling in everything, I was able to put that information. When the pin came, it reached from his box, inbox, here in Kampala, Uganda. And he called me and, he gave me my pin. I put it in, and I was able to activate my account completely. So I know now a lot of people will have, some queries of how do you withdraw the money you get from YouTube and all that. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to know that. When it comes to dollar accounts and all that other stuff, I'll hopefully do a video very, very soon. Also, I'll be sharing hopefully how much money I was able to make, my first Google paycheck. Yeah, is it Google paycheck? Google AdSense paycheck. Hopefully, I'll also be able to share that. So thank you very much, you guys, for watching this vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Let me know what you thought of it. Thank you for being part of this family. We were able to make 3,000 subscribers. We are now on the road for 4,000 subscribers. The sky is the limit. And let me meet you in the next vlog. Tanyanishailoc switching out. Bye for now.